Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use kita. Kita is a pronoun in Tagalog that is very unique. There is not a pronoun in English that functions like kita. I'm not sure though if in other languages there is a word that functions like this Tagalog pronoun. Maybe you can let me know if there is one in your language after I teach you about kita. So, kita is used when the doer of action is the speaker, meaning you're using the pronoun I. And then the receiver of action is the listener, or you. In English, the word you can be plural, correct? Like, for example, when you say I love you, you can sometimes mean I love you both or I love you all by that. So you're talking to several people. However, if you're going to use kita, that means you're talking to only one person. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga halimbawa. Mahal kita. I love you. Gusto kita. I like you. Tinawagan kita. I called you. Kakalimutan kita. I will forget you. Tinulungan kita. I helped you. Sasamahan kita. I will come with you. Sinampal kita. I slapped you. Nakikita na kita. I already see you. As you can see in these examples, the doers of action are all I, or the speaker, while the receivers of actions are all you, or the person you're talking to. Well, that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward. I hope that you like this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.